हेलो सर,
या
रोशन बोल रहा है 10 मिनट में ज्वाइन कर।
ओके ठीक है. Okay, meanwhile we will start. So previously what we had studied, can anyone go for quick revision? What topics we had covered previous session? Any idea?
Yes, sir. Hover some selector will be.
Yeah, means pseudo class, pseudo element, different types of selector we had covered.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So
Yes.
now same thing we will look over different type that how those are working. Okay. Suppose you have to you when you taking any tag, just imagine if you taken this anchor tag. Okay, you had passed here something. Okay, I writing here click me. Okay, now what is this actually? How this will be look like? Just like anchor tag. 1 second, why this is not loaded? Yeah, so it will look like anchor tag. Okay, fine. But now I not want to be like anchor tag. I want to look like a button. So what I will do? I will take button and click me. Had you seen the difference between both? Correct or not? If I want button, then I have to take button. If I want to take anchor tag, I have to take anchor tag. But I not want to take button, but I want to make the anchor tag itself look like a button. So how we can do? We can do that with the help of CSS. Okay. So I going to delete this first. Now see what we will. So CSS link. With CSS link can be with the help of CSS, links can be started in many different ways. Now text link button, link button means different styling we can pass with whom? With whom I told? With a button itself. Okay. So I showing you it. This is now look like this is just this is a link. Correct. So when you clicking on this, it will reload some pages. I have not this page. I will move some page. Selector. Okay. Go in element. Oh, sorry. Save. So this is a link. When you're clicking this, it will reload some pages. Some text is coming, which already we had seen. So now what we going to do? Okay. So I have to explain something in this tag, or you getting this? What we had taken? We had taken just one anchor tag, correct? So in anchor tag, we had passed href target equal to something. And what we had done, we had passed a style for that anchor tag. Any doubt in this one? I'm not thinking because this already we had discussed. Anyone?
Yes,
No doubt?
no doubt.
What we had done, we had taken just anchor tag. That is inside paragraph and for making bold different things we had done. But mainly we are focusing on the anchor tag. So anchor tag and then we had passed some style over there. What we had taken? We had done some styling by referring anchor tag. Same thing we can do with the help of class. Okay, so Praful, tell me. I not want with the anchor tag. I want to make means refer this with the help of class or ID. Tell me. Yeah, Praful. Now he is there or no? Okay, Praful had dropped. Okay, Praful. Or otherwise Abhishek, tell me. I want to refer this with the help of class, not with I. Yeah, whoever.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Is it for all?
No, sir.
Sir,
Okay, I think Praful maybe some network issue.
सर नेटवर्क तो बराबर
Maybe just to do one thing, Praful, just drop and again join. Okay. Meanwhile, Abhishek. So
Yes, sir.
I want to refer this anchor tag with a style, but not with a tag. I want to refer with class. How we can?
Refer with the tag.
No, no. Previously, it was referring with tag. Here it was
Yes,
written A. A means
yes,
anchor tag, correct? But I not want to refer with tag. I want to refer with class. How I have to? What I have to write?
sir. A is equals to a class.
I have to write class.
Yes, sir.
Class and anchor tag. Okay. Let it give any
Yes, sir.
name.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And now what?
Sir, giving a yeah. Sir, a a dot.
A dot or ANC dot?
It's a
Means a
ANC.
dot
ANC is a class name.
ANC.
Dot ANC.
Yeah.
Yes.
So class name be passed. Now see, same thing what we got. There is no any changes. Okay. So now what we want, we already know this. Okay. But we not want this thing. We want to make something different. As yesterday topic, we had seen already how we can pass this style for making that. Correct or not? Anchor tag
Correct.
link, anchor tag active, anchor tag this thing. So that's why we had taken a study class for selector, because once you will look over that, you will be get clear. That's why first we had covered selector, then only we had came here. Now see what color you getting and why. Tell me. See, these are things not required because already we had discussed. Now we are going, we are getting which color? Blue color.
Yes, sir. Purple.
Tell me blue color, that one. See, total how many colors are written in the style? One is anchor
Sir,
tag.
four color.
Yeah. So total is four color. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, but just 1 second. Okay. Total we have four color. One is red, green, hot pink, and blue. Now tell me which color coming now and for what purpose? Now we are getting which color? Now it become green. Why? Because we had already visited this link. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
First time itself we had visited that link. See, first when we keeping our mouse over, it become hot pink. Correct. See that code, mouse over, anchor tag and mouse over means over hot pink color. So when we moving mouse over that, it become pink type. When it is unvisited means a starting time, then it was coming red. Okay. Let me do one thing. Cut this save. We're not getting red. Why? Because it is a look like a link and it is visited. That's why. Okay. Once you will visit the link, it become blue color. Not when you're not passing any style, then also you will get the same thing, because by default link property have that one. Let's see. We will comment. We will go back. Now refresh. Now see. After refreshing also be getting the same thing. Wait. Now see. When you're clicking, you're getting that. Okay. Now let me do one thing. Pass this all styles and go like that. Now see, automatic the color got changed. It become green because we had visited the link. So it become green color. Now when you move mouse over, okay, be getting a hot pink color. And when the link is active, means in the sense during a starting a stage, first time only. Okay, means sorry, not first time. When we clicking and triggering, as I had told example of a self of a bike or any engine, that during a starting time it will rotate your engine and it will trigger that complete engine for few seconds. Self is working, so that type itself it is link active. When we will click, it will show that blue color for minor second. Okay, and automatic it will get all color whatever they have. Okay, so this way what we had done yesterday itself, we had apply these different. What is this, pseudo class or element? What was that
Yes,
actually?
sir. Pseudo class. Pseudo
Class.
class.
So we had applied already the class, means pseudo class. So by this way, we can apply different color accordingly. But now what we want, see one thing, now you can look over here. Now it is underline, correct? Okay, do one thing. H2, H2, okay. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Now I had taken some text. I want to underline this. How you will do? You have idea?
Sir,
How to?
using
Yeah, tell. Which tag?
the underline.
Underline, that is U tag actually. Okay. In
Okay.
HTML, you will get that U tag. Write U tag. UL or U, I don't know. Yeah, U tag itself. Okay, I think some UL is okay. What is this one then? UL?
Sir, you will unordered list.
Yeah, correct. So don't get confused that underline means U and U means under, L means line. No, that is UL tag. So after UL, you can pass this one. Now, can you tell me, is any difference between this and upper one? Upper is a link, that's fine. Okay, but suppose without this one, I will remove that text bit. Now you have to tell me how you will identify which is a link or what. No difference or difference is there?
No difference.
Is there any difference? Now there is no difference because the text is also same thing. Everything is same, but you can find out the difference because this had came because why means we had passed U tag, underline tag. Remove this. What is this U tag? Which type of tag this one? And under which category this tag will come? What about I tag, EM tag? Which
Yes,
category?
sir. Inline tag.
No,
Inline
no.
tag. Inline tag.
In line that's fine. One more was there. Be strong. These all was coming in inside is some category.
Element
Category?
formatting element.
Format, correct. So that was
Format.
formatting tag. So you also coming under that tag itself, formatting tag. Okay. So now what we had done, we had written some text. Now I had removed that U. Okay. Now there is not anything underline. Now can you identify easily? And let me do one thing. Had I done any formatting in this section in case of a anchor tag? Means had I passed any U tag in case of underline? Let's verify. Just a bit. See what I had written. I had written anchor tag. Then class name is there. Remove this class name. Not an issue. But when you working, you have to pass that. I going with sample examples. So second, what we had passed. What is this one? Quick. What is this?
Sir, link.
No. Href. Are you asking href?
Href.
What is that actually?
Attribute.
Attribute. Okay. What it will do? What it taking in the value?
It will go to whatever the site name is there.
Yeah, means file location.
Yeah, file location.
So this is attribute, but it is holding file location. Okay. I going with one by one. What is this target?
Open in the I mean different page. Different.
Okay. So this is like your attribute itself, but it going to tell the file location where it have to navigate. Correct? Means where it going to load your file. Means whoever on the anchor tag. So it targeting for the file location. So we had taken only three things here. One is already anchor tag. Second is href, and third is target. So why then after that also be getting underline here? But here in this case, the thing we had taken, so no underline is there. But now what I will do? I will pass that U tag and I will pass that H, means H2 or H1, whatever. Then be getting underline tag. Can anyone tell why?
Because that is a link. The above one is a link, na.
Okay, so that is because every one is link, and link have by default property that it will come underline. Okay, so if anywhere in your website, if underline is coming, then you can imagine maybe that link or maybe due to that U tag. Okay, two option. Second thing, you written this one, but you not want to show user that it is a link. It is not looking good. When you passing like this way, means underline, then it's not looking good. What I want to make this link also as normal. How we can do? Just let's see. As like visited, unvisited, many things was there. Okay, so same type. There is one property that is text decoration. Okay, so with the help of text decoration, we can do that one. Now see. So had you got this question? What I was trying actually? Everyone,
Yes.
had you got my question? What I was trying? So I was trying not means by default anchor tag have that property, but I not want it to be by default. I want to remove that property. Means whatever property they inheriting. Okay, inheriting in the sense they already have from their parent or from. However, I want to remove those property. So just see what happened. Now you have to find out. I'm not going to explain. You have to find out due to which that came. What I taken the style anchor tag. Sorry, link anchor tag link. I taken text decoration equal to null. Okay. Okay. Left this one first one. Okay. Praful or Abhishek. Explain this one. Anchor tag visited. Text decoration null. When it will work?
Yes,
Already
sir.
we had this. Means
Yes, sir.
don't worry regarding text decoration. Go with anchor tag and visited. Tell me when that will affect.
Sir, when we putting the cursor
Yeah.
in a
Visited means what? You had visited that some hotel. Means what? You had already gone there and you had came back.
yes, sir.
So same thing is that just to go with grammar. That's it. So visited means you had visited some link. Means when you will click this, means you visited
Yes, sir.
that one. So that
New
become
tag.
visited. Okay. Means what it telling, if you had visited link, text decoration have to none. None in the sense there will be no any underline property. So see, let's go one thing. Let it to be underline. Now see what it coming.
So
It coming.
underline.
It have to come underline. Just to see what it going to do. It not coming. Okay, let it to be not an so. Comment this first. Okay, go mouse over. Is any mistake?
Sir, any many tab
Why this
open.
not coming many things? I think somewhere mistake happened. Let me copy that complete. Wait. Control Z text decoration with none. Okay. Anchor tag. Fine. Let to go new file. New. Where is new file? My God. Not HTML. Okay. First, we can easily identify after that. Otherwise, one time it will gone, then gone. Now, when it is coming underline, now it's coming underline. 1 second. We are working on second file. No. 2.html. Okay. See, somewhere it's showing anchor tag over. Okay. Go and verify where that is actually. We will go one by one everywhere. Anchor tag, but it had to come underline. Why this not coming? Over must come after anchor tag link and visited in the CSS func definition in order to be effective. Okay, 1 second. Let me check. That's fine. Or underline.
Sir, link HTML with CSS. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let me go on their website. What is the issue? See, one thing, when you will open this document, try yourself is there. Okay. And when you will click on this, you will reach down directly on that W3 school. Okay. On that section. From here, you can verify if you have to do anything. Yeah, it's coming here. But why not in my case? 1 second. What is that? 1 second. 2.html, fine. 2.html. Oh, now it came. Maybe by some mistake happened there while writing. Wait, I will remove this. Yeah, okay. Okay, so just first go with the styles. Can you observe something from this code and tell me first what we can observe? A link text decoration is none means what? By default first case, when the link is showing, that time it none. What means a text decoration? There are different things. First, we know only underline. We will verify with underline case only. Now I passing text decoration. Now I will not click. Otherwise, digital will not work. That's why. Now when we had passed text decoration equal to underline, what we got? Text become underline. Is this clear? Let me
Clear, sir.
comment this. Yeah. First we will go this one only. Wait. Yeah. So when we want whether our text means anchor tag, it have to be underlined or not, we can do that one text decoration. So wherever you want to add this one, you can add. So one quick question, I don't know whether that's correct or not. If we want to make underline in case of any paragraph, will it work or not? I have not idea. We had not tried this thing, but I want. If I taken H2, okay, we know that if we want underline, we can pass U tag. Correct.
Correct, sir.
We can pass U tag. But is that with the help of text decoration, will it work? What are you thinking? Any idea? It have to work or not? See, that's a hit and
Sir,
try. Just tell whatever opinion you have.
it works, sir.
It have to work. Let's see what it going to do. Okay, I passing underline. 50% my chance is also that it have to work, but I don't know. It came. Wherever H2 is there, it become underline. Got this?
Yes, yes, sir.
Means as like formatting tag of others, we can pass this also whether that is a link or not. But link have by default underline property, so we can remove that. This is the thing. So let's remove this one H2. We not want this. I will comment. What I want, text decoration is underline. Okay. I want to remove this underline. Let's see another property is also there. Then we will go quick revision for the others also. So one is the dashed. Let's see, is the dash is also working? No, this not giving anything. It have to give, but it's not giving. Means this not working. Okay, let's see any other dotted is there. Let's see it also coming. No, means only which property working? Underline.
Underline.
Okay. In the case of a border, that those are working. Maybe due to that suggestions are coming. Okay. So next day we can remove that by already because by default this one. So we can pass a none. Okay. Now this is not looking like a link, but when you click, it will work. Okay. Now when you will click this, it will work, but I will not click now because visited will not work. That's why I tried to ignore that. Now I going in the next. Suppose that you had visited the link. Okay. Means what will happen? It have to happen like a none. but I not want. I want if it visited, because already by default that link have property of underline. So we not want that one. What we want, if we had visited the link, we want underline. Okay, we want underline, and okay, let's go with some color also. Let's see background color. It will be more effective. Background color, pass something. Let's see. So now when this will work actually? Any idea?
Once it's visited,
Visited link.
Yeah, correct. So when we will click that link, then only it will effective. So let's see. Click this. We getting error, no issue, because path is something different. But what happened? Underline is not coming. Means a link not visited. Let's see one thing. I will pass that reference here. Oh, sorry. What slash? Okay, let's add one itself. Let's see what we getting here. Click. Okay. But now it have to come that one. We had visited that link. Underline. Okay. We will means check on last that one. Now come to this one over. Actually, due to browser cache, many times that CSS become that not effective. So you have to take care of this thing. We can work that in incognito mode. Okay, for the CSS part. So when you will h over in the sense what have to come? It have to underline, correct? Text decoration underline in the case of h over. When h over is working, when we putting mouse over that one, now see that is working, correct? So do one thing here itself. I will pass this color and let's see whether that is also working or some issue. So this is working. Okay. So I have not idea when that have to come, but I think when we visiting the link that time itself have to. So this thing is working. Is this fine? So next active. When it will work? When active will work. Now what is there? Active. Then this one. Let's go some background color. Background color go with red. That's it. Let's see when it have to work. Now it's yellow because mouse over. Click this. Had you seen something? Had you observed?
Yes, sir.
When
Red
we had click,
background
yeah,
coming.
when we clicking, that time red will come. Just look over. I can't hold that. Okay. Okay, we can do one thing, but then also it will load here itself. If we will remove this target blank, then we will get the same window. Okay, do one thing. Pass this one something top. Okay, and let's see what it will do. I think it will load in same page. No, 1 second. No, it's loading in another itself. Okay, so and you are already we had observed that one. So with the help of this, we can what be doing actually? Can anyone summarize this all activity? Can anyone summarize activity? What we had done still?
Sir, we using decoration text underline for
That's
property.
fine.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. Means with the help of what thing?
with the
With
help of
the
yes, sir.
what
Pseudo
was
class.
yesterday class? Yeah, correct. So with the help of pseudo class, we are doing these all activity. Okay. So with the help of pseudo class only these all activity is possible. Okay. Now we will go another one. So in this, anyone have any issue? This already okay. So with the help of text decoration, what we had done, we can pass a different style. Like underline is there, then we can remove. Otherwise, we can pass underline. But in case of anchor tag, different things are there. So one thing, I don't know that's whether it will that work or not. Suppose same thing we want for different like anchor we taking that href, sorry, h1, h2, those things. So the whether that will also work for that case or not. What are you thinking? It have to
Sir,
or not?
yes,
It
sir,
have
it
to
was.
work.
It have to work.
Yes.
Let's
Yes, sir.
do one thing. We don't know whether it will work or not. What I doing? I removing this anchor tag and passing h2 or any tag. Okay. And let's see what it going to do. I have not idea because these all things we never using, means hitting try also this type. During learning stage only you can do more and more hit and try. Once you will start practicing, means in the real experience, means real work, you will never hit and try. You will anyhow you will try to complete that task whatever you have. So where is the over? Okay, over is with h2. Let's verify. In case of over, I think it have to work. Okay, you will not get now. Let's add one background color. Why this Hindi coming? Let's add background color, then we can easily identify. Background color go with red. Okay, copy this. To paste or how to copy in this one? No need to select that completely. Just where you have to pass the cursor. You can keep cursor in the last anywhere, not in last only, anywhere, and just Control C. That text become copied. So let's see that over. This is not working here anything. Where is H2? This was H2, I think. 1 second. Oh, sorry. This is a third. Please, you have to remind me. This is third. Yeah. So let's see where is H2. H2 is here. This is working. What about this thing? This is not. This is not. Oh, only one place H2 is. Okay, do one thing. Remove this. Make that also H2. Yeah. Now all is H2. Okay. Now see everywhere we got. And are you observing one thing regarding underline? Nowhere underline is now on H2. But when you passing cursor, it become underline. See, correct?
Yes, sir.
How? Due to H over and text decoration is underlined and this one. This worked. Now see just we will do one thing, text visited and those thing. But I not want the color this one. Otherwise we can't identify. Do a different color. Over that's fine. Let it to be, but in this case come to blue something. Okay. So now save. Yeah. So this is that color. Will it working anything? Yeah. See
Over.
it giving. Correct. When we clicking, it giving you that. Which color is coming actually?
Hover and active. Okay.
Active color means when we are triggering, it making active. But why this both is not working? Because this is not a visitable. Correct or not?
Correct,
If
sir.
that will be link, then only we can visit. But this is not visitable. That's why we can't. Okay. So means if you want to make your UI attractive, you can see. Okay. This way. So we understand something different also. So now for the background color, you can pass that. Okay. Then again, we already seen these all things. Overcase be seen. Background color, these already seen. Anyone have any doubt in this one? Anyone any doubt? Any doubt, please?
No,
First,
sir. No.
no doubt. That's fine. See, when you just hitting and try, you will get more explanation. Means more clearance over that.
Sir,
Otherwise,
I
we
have
know. Yeah.
one question. Sir,
Yeah. Yeah.
when we use H2 in
H2. Okay.
yes, sir. The previous you using
Yeah.
H2,
Yeah. H2. Yeah.
sir. So we use text decoration, underline, and other option.
None. Otherwise, none. No, any none. None in the sense there will be no text decoration. Okay.
Sir, only three properties are given.
Oh, for text decoration.
And
Text
background color.
decoration, background color. No, you can pass others also. Means
Ah,
we can't take all property actually one by one, but you can pass like font size, you can increase, you can do all whatever uppercase, lowercase. Already we
ah,
had seen.
okay, sir.
So
Clear.
means what we are looking, we are checking whether by default property is this one, we can do other thing or not. Because it is not possible that I go one by one that all property. That's why. But we can do whatever is there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now what I will do. Now this is actually what? This is a link. Okay. Anyone have any doubt that this is link or not? If doubt, then tell me. All have doubt?
No
No,
doubt.
sir. This is link.
No doubt. Okay. It is link. How you identify that that is link? Anchor tag is there. That's why. Or it is written there. That's why. How?
No, sir. Underline is there.
Underline. Okay. So whenever you getting underline, just simply identify that is your some link. Okay.
So, is there any possibility we didn't get underline?
Yeah, that's just now we had seen text
Okay.
decoration.
Okay, text decoration will do that none.
See, I show you one more time. Anchor tag. Pass this. Text decoration. Text
Mm.
decoration. None. See, underline gone.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So that's it. We had covered that one. That we want not and we not want underline. So what you can do now? What I will do? I will make one. I will convert this button. Sorry, this link as button. How we can? What are the properties available in the case of button? How it look like? Just tell me, someone. What are the? See, I going with one example of button. Now you have to tell whatever you will do modification, then it become button. Tell me.
Okay, first we will put the background color. After that, we can give the border, and we can give the padding also. This
Okay,
thing.
means you telling padding, margin, those things. Okay,
Yes, yes.
fine. So what we will do, we will also do the same thing. Okay. So first we will remove text decoration. Wait 1 second. I will copy that this code first. Now I will go one by one. Okay. Now it's look like link button, but this is not a really button. Then what is now? What we had done?
We changed the background color.
Just 1 second. Okay, so we pass some background color. Now tell me, I want to pass a space as in the click button. In the top left, right, everywhere, some space is there. I want like that. Okay, before that, in the case of this is a link, underline is there. First we have to remove that one.
Yes.
How we can remove?
Yes.
Just now we had seen text property, text decoration. Correct or not? So pass that text dash decoration. What?
None.
Okay. See, in the case of UI, means whenever you have got any work regarding CSS, you have to just think one by one step. That's it. You will get that exact. How you have to get that you have to realize. So now I saved. This becomes simple. Is there any difference? Remove this. This is a link. I will pass one value. Link. Sorry. Link button. Is there any difference in between both? No difference. What I will do now? Next, what is the requirement? Praful, tell me what we want now. compare both link button and click button. Tell me what we want.
Click button, sir. Return the page in second.
Click button return page second means no. See, just observe difference between link button and a click button. Okay, you have to make like that. What are the things required in click button? Some space are there around.
Yes,
Some
yes.
space
Like we'll take padding.
The click button is in a border inside,
Yeah,
like
click button
padding
inside
type.
border. But here also it look like a border. Border not the issue because already due to color it's coming. But you can make. But one thing, a space
So for sir,
around that
We'll go for
margin.
Ma
padding.
sir,
Left,
margin can use.
left, right, and I mean top, bottom. We need a space.
yeah
Margin
that
use.
Margin. Yeah.
margin. Okay, go with margin. Margin we can pass. Okay, I taking 12 pixel. Let's verify what happened. Where you got this margin?
From left. From top button left right. I think.
Means you had got this margin outside the button.
Yeah. Padding. I think
36. I going with 36. Now see, observe. You getting this margin outside that means where we want. We want inside that means inside
So
the boundary and the after text.
okay, we'll go for
padding.
padding.
The padding
Okay,
we should
so we
use.
will go with
Padding.
a padding.
Pad.
This way we can hit and try. Okay, padding. Now I pass. We got a space.
Space.
Okay, but I not want this much. I want reduced. Just to go with some. I passed 6 pixel. Now it's look like same or not?
Yes, yes,
Same.
same.
Yeah, but now I want to change the color of text.
Yes.
Link button text. What I will do?
Color should be
Color.
black.
Okay, give
So
any color
using
name.
color.
Yeah, with the
Yes.
help of color property, we can pass. Okay, go with white. Now it become white.
Yes.
Got this. That is the thing. So with the help of this, we can modify whatever style is written here. Let's see. One is text center. Already we had got, but no issue. If you want text in the center alignment, what you will do? You can pass a text center. Sorry, text alignment center. But by default it is coming. But that also it's fine, not an issue. Then display inline block. Had we studied this thing, display? I think no. I think no. That's okay, not an issue. So already we got this idea. So now tell me if you will got any time some scenario to making. Okay, tell me how we can get a border outside. Add a border also.
Yes. Border.
Okay, so we will go with property border. Correct. Pass
Yes.
some like
1
2
pixel.
pixel. Pixel is also
Solid.
necessary here.
Yes.
Oh, px was necessary. Okay, so go with solid
So we
and
use
give some.
px and percentage
Yeah,
also.
yeah, that's percentage. I think it will not work here. So now it look like that border came. Okay, so this way what we had done, we had converted that button completely like that. But I want exact. If suppose you want exact, what you can do? Text should be like black.
Yes, sir.
Go
And
with black.
background.
Let's see.
Okay.
And background will be something. Go with
White.
gray, white, and something. Smoke, I think color. SMOK. Smoke color, no.
Silver.
WH. White smoke. Yeah, this one. And a border. Remove this. BLA.
I think
Black.
no need border, I think so.
That's not. But if we want, we can pass. Now see, is there any difference between both button?
No difference.
No difference.
So, but the thing is that this is your link, but this is button. See, when you passing cursor, you will realize. See, this is button. Fingertip not coming on this one. It is clickable because button has the clickable property. But when you coming on this one, fingertip coming, because this is a
Is a link.
link, anchor tag. Okay, but you had modified it that as like now with the help of AutoCAD and Photoshop, you can do anything. So that thing we had done with CSS. Okay, so I will take this style completely, and after that we will see whatever changes is there. Okay, already we understand whatever things. Anyone now, had you got some idea that we can modify anything, we can make anything in any form? Okay, so this become your link button. There is no difference, all is same, but there will be something, that's it. So what property it's doing? It's doing one property taken link, okay, anchor tag link and anchor tag visited. Then your background color is this one, correct? But when we putting mouse over and active, background color is this one, but there is no difference in background color case. I will take some other. Okay, now you can realize. Now your button is like a green because link and visited, this one. But mouse over and active, red. Let's see. Wait 1 second. Over background color. Why this not working? 1 second. So when we putting cursor, oh sorry, it had came. So when we passing cursor and when we clicking over that, it will come. See, got this? Is it clear or not? So with the help of this, what we had done, we had passed a different means a button link as a button. Anyone, any issue? Tell me. Here some property we had not study as like a display property, this thing, but I think approx all we had study except this one, display. Text decoration already just now we had discussed. Then your text alignment already, padding already, background color, these all okay. These all we had discussed. Tell me, anyone have any issue in this?
I want the space between this link button and the click button.
Okay,
So
tell
for
me
this,
how we
we
can do.
need to put this thing in a
Right.
div or
No, here itself we can do. It will come. Okay, just wait. Praful, tell me how we can get a space between this one.
Sir,
I want separation.
a margin can use.
Yeah, correct. So we can pass margin. Let's see where we can pass. Let's go with margin. But you have to verify one thing. When we passing one value, which side it will be?
Four side.
Four side. Let's see. We got all four side, but I not want all four side. I want button should be here. Okay, but margin should be with this one. Which side we have to
Left.
pass? And
Right side,
Ma-
right.
Right.
okay, but I not want to write like that. I want to write in shorthand notation. Tell me what all value we have to pass.
Margin right.
That's okay. Margin right is another thing, but I not want in that way. I want in the shorthand notation. Total how much we pass? 12 pixel, then be passing 2 pixel, then be passing 3 pixel, then be passing 2 pixel. Something value we can pass like this.
Yes, sir.
We got
Top,
something.
left, bottom,
Yeah.
and
So what I asking, what I want 1 second. I want my button should be here, but I have to get a space only in this one, this section. So which value I have to keep and which not. But I want in this case, in this scenario.
So I will take 2 pixel.
Means you want
0,
to
0,
fix
Top
0 and
bottom. So top bottom 12 pixel
No, no, sir.
same and
But
giving
okay,
two.
just
last
bet
one,
1 second.
last one.
Okay.
two
So
is
Okay.
what about
Can I tell, sir?
yeah, okay, carry on.
12 should be 0, 2 pixel
12
will
0
be
0.
same like a 3
Okay.
pixel 0 and 2 pixel 0.
Set to be 0 and move 0.
Yes.
Let's see what happened. Had you got it?
Yes, we
yes,
get
sir.
some
Yes,
space
sir.
from right side.
2 pixel up.
Means our position is as usual, but we got a space in the right side. So this way we can do because
Well, yeah, I want according to screen, it will adjust like.
yeah, you can go with I think VW. Let's verify. I don't know whether VW will work here or not. Yeah, it's working. See. So
if
when
you,
we will,
I mean, yeah, just click on max button.
yeah, okay, 1 second. Oh, sorry. Yeah, a space is increasing because we had passed in the case of a space here only VW means in the margin case itself only we had passed. So when we increasing the screen size, it's increasing that space. See, because we had passed VW in this case, other having pixel, padding having pixel, these all having pixel, correct?
Yeah.
So margin wherever VW we had used according to a screen size, that area will increase, decrease, correct or not?
No, that will only work for a link button or for both.
No. In all case means we
In
have
all
to
case.
pass according. Yeah, we have to pass according.
Okay.
Suppose you want to make a style on this button, you have to pass that text, this, that, everything. It will be make as usual. Okay.
Okay.
Means we can modify on all things. It's not compulsory. See, because this was just a link, but now it's look like button, link button. Correct. What we had done, we had applied the styles. But if suppose if I going to comment this complete style, what is his behavior? His behavior is just link. But we had make something different. So same thing we can do. Okay. Got it? Okay. So I think this one clear that we can do anything with the help of styles. We can create file, means say we can add any style on any tag. If we want to make a like what is this file? This is file. Okay. If you want to add this type of a style on H1P, this, that, you can. It's not issue. Okay. So now move to the text. Oh my God, we had covered this much only. Okay. So with the help of this, where is cursor? Yeah. So with the help of this, we can do next. Again, same thing is there. Anchor tag and some class name. Link visited over. We had passed different style. So I'm not going to explain this one because we already covered this thing. Which side this voice is coming? Please. Okay. So now whatever we had discussed, these all things will be here. Okay. So again, link and button, color, text decoration, something is there. So no need this thing. Okay. These are different style. When you passing cursor, see a style, cursor, auto, then cursor, default. This will help you. Now see, oh, 1 second, where is it? Yeah. So when you push means when you're putting your mouse over this, your cursor is coming like this, but you not want this type of fingertip. You want something different. You want arrow type itself. Then we can also do that one with the help of different cursor property. Okay, these things. So you can practice this one. Okay. These are just simple, whatever we had done. Now next, CSS. See,
Sir.
main thing. Yeah.
Screen not visible.
Sir, I didn't understand. Sir.
A screen not visual.
Yeah.
Yes,
for me
sir.
also.
My
One
problem same, sir.
One
Sir,
second. Let
you
me.
visible, sir.
Yeah, that's a because it is shared.
Network no issue,
Let me
sir.
say. Okay, let me share again. Roshan, you are telling something.
Sir, I didn't understand anything, sir. Today's.
What
You are
about
not
yesterday
attend
class? Had you
class.
attended?
No, sir.
Had you not attended yesterday class?
I came, sir. I was came, sir, or 20 minutes before.
Today or
Last
yesterday?
yesterday, sir.
See, yesterday was the main class, which is depending on this one. Okay, so don't worry. These are if you will cover the yesterday class, then you will get this one. Okay.
Okay.
So try to cover if you had left means yesterday class only because we had a study selector. That's why. And these all things depend on the selector part. So it is not a small that we can cover that. But if you want, you can go through video, then it will be easy. It will look like. Otherwise, you can revise in the second batch also. That's not the issue. Okay. But
Then
meanwhile,
the
I will
second
tell
batch
you.
का wait.
Okay. No, yeah, that's I will tell. Don't wait for second batch. Just one day class you can revise yesterday one, and you can get this. After that, if you have
Yes.
doubt, we can discuss. That's not an issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So now what about a screen? I had shared again. Is it visual now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Visible, sir.
So okay, fine. So we will go with the list, but I will not go one by one because whatever main things we had discussed. Okay. So just I will go quick revision. Whatever things were there, we covered at least all. So in the case of ordered list, I had shown yesterday that if you want to make color changing of the list bullet, we can do that also. So same thing is here. See, anchor tag, then some list style type. You can pass some styling different. Okay, with the help of which one? List style type. Okay, let's do one thing. I will go one time quickly. That's it. Now just you have to realize and you have to tell me what are you getting from that. Now you are in that level that you can get easily with the CSS and with the code itself directly. Now see, example of an ordered list. Okay, a tag, fine. What is that? Series circle, square, upper Roman. Okay. Now see, in the case of unordered list, where is that unordered list style? This one. Correct? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Please, quick. In the case of unordered list, what is the by default property? What type of a style will come? Bullet sign?
The bullet sign.
Complete dot? Yeah. But what we can do? We can change that with the help of what? List style type. That class means a property name is list style type. With that, we can pass a different. One circle is written there. Okay. Let's see what it came. It came circle. Then UL and dot B. It is a square. Where that is a square? It is not a square anywhere. What is this taken? This one. Let's see anything coming. Disk is there. Georgian alpha square is there. Symbol. Let's see what it going to do. In case of a square also it's coming bullet type. Bullet is there? No. By default that property actually then. And this will come only. Okay. I think you have this one, this B tag. Okay. So with the help of a list, a style type, we can check and we can pass a different. Okay. Whatever, but only possibility if you passing anything like this is circle, if you passing triangle, it will not work because if triangle property is there, then only if a value of a list style type is a triangle, then only it will work. If we will pass anything, it will not. Okay. So we have to check whether some value, what value they have. Disk is there. Let's see. Is it working? Yeah, it's came bullet type. So maximum time it will be same type. Okay. But we getting two things. We can pass a style also. Yesterday we had seen how we can pass a style. So this way we can, what we had done, we had changed the type in the case of their numbering. Okay, we already know that how we can pass different type. So now in the case of image, now it's a list style type. Previously what we had seen, we had pass some dot color this that, but here we can pass our particular image also. Okay, what we will do, we will pass this one. Let's see. List style type, pass URL, okay, and pass this. And after that, let's see where is my image. Sorry, image is there. I don't know whether what about this one, how much big it will come or coming or not. No, it's not come. Something written.
Sir, one problem, sir. Your screen
Yeah.
not visible. Sir, network not issue. Why?
What about others? Others also can't able to see my screen.
No. We can able to see.
No, sir. Visible. Your screen.
Praful, I think now some network issue you have. Okay. So see, if we passing some style, let's say go there itself, it will give our quick means image reference. So see here, in case of image, is that a screen is visible on editor?
Yes, visible.
Yeah. So this is some image. Actually, see here, list style type image. Sorry, I think we had taken type. Oh, I had done mistake actually. Just wait. List styled. Yeah, when you passing a style image, let's see. What about my case? Why my image is not coming? It have to come actually. Wait 1 second. That's why I kept copy pasting the complete code. Oh, with UL. Okay, you can't getting the class. This actually. That's why. Samir, mute yourself. See, had you observed where that image is coming? Wait, let me reduce my, oh, you can't able to if I reducing. See, in the left side, here, see, on this corner side, left side, are you getting something?
Shadow, sir.
Yeah, something is
Yes, sir.
there. See here, something is there. See here, these all are image actually. And this all image came which one? With a UL tag. See here, code. Correct or not? This UL tag, I had passed that image. Okay, I will comment this and let's verify. Is that still? No. Had you observed? So with the help of this, we can pass a image also. Okay, so this way your image will work. Same thing I will show here. See, in this case, copy is written and here this is square, that is actually image. This one, purple.gif. So we can pass our image, but it should have to a small. Okay. So another thing what we had learned regarding the case of UL or LI tag, we can convert the bullet and dot those thing. Second, we can pass image also in place of a bullet dot numbering. Okay, clear? What is that property? List style image. What was previous one? List style type. Okay, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
In the
Sir,
case, yeah,
sir, when we using in unordered list,
yeah.
bullet sign remove and using finger type, sir.
No, it's not possible.
Sir,
That I
in
had
the
told.
image.
That I had told that if you passing in place of circle, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, everything will not come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This
No,
is
sir.
there
In
by
image.
default. Yeah, in image you can. That become different thing. It will. See,
Suppose I want to remove bullet symbol then.
yeah, I think yesterday we had seen that also. Yesterday or day before, we had seen that in the previous class. We can remove, I think.
Yes, that class list style type should be none, then it will be removed.
Yeah, then it will. Okay. So see, all have naming convention, same type. Just you can fill. See, list style, because these all are list. Correct or not? These all comes under list. So your naming convention is list style. Okay. And image. So image type. So type. What a type is doing? Type is making an ordered listed bullet or numbering to something different. So that type we learn two property. One is list type and one is list style image. With the help of this, we can add image. Okay. Now, what is this? Position the list item marker. What is this? Outside and inside. Go with this one. See, what will be the output for this? You can look over here. This a dot. Somewhere outside or somewhere inside you will observe. Let it to be. I will do with this practically. 5. Remove this also. Let's, what is this? 5.6.html. See, now these all are simple things. Okay. So just if you will go just understanding, it become easy and clear. It's not making much more difference in case of position. Wait, I will go with W3 school. Maybe you will get some more difference there. What are you observing? Anything in difference here? In case of a list, this bullet sign, okay, this bullet and this bullet. Are you observing something?
Yeah, with
Space
space.
is more.
Yeah,
Space.
that is the thing. That is the thing. So a space is more. So whenever there is requirement like this, you can pass that one. Then outside and inside position. So see, go through the documentation. What is written? The list style position property. Outside default. Nothing is written here. Okay. Go with our itself. Yeah, list style position property specify the position of the list item marker bullet points. Okay, list style position outside means the bullet point will be outside the list item. The start of each line of list item will be aligned vertically. Alignment. This is by default. Okay, so just look over here itself. 1 second. Yeah, it alignment is vertically. Okay, a space is that fine. One thing is there. See this alignment. First, then second, then third. It's all vertically aligned. But in this case, what is going? In this case, a bullet is here, but your text is starting from here also. Correct or not? Means in this case, alignment is a single line. This is all bullet coming in one line. But in this case, your all line is not coming in that. Alignment become inside. Means it covering that section also. Bullet sign. Correct. But why we had got this here? I think due to Zoom. I don't know. It depending on proper that browser also. Okay. Who is that? Vivekananda started call in group discussion. What he doing? Okay. So with the help of bullet style position, we can go this way. Okay. Anyone any issue? Anyone having any issue in the case of position?
No, sir.
Okay. I don't know why we not. Okay, I got that. Why we not getting? Wait. Yeah. Now see. Actually, why I was not getting, because my screen was big. So it was occupying the full space of the screen and text was not coming. Same text was not coming in the second line. Getting that point? This text, it not coming means it not breaking into next line. But when you making this a smaller screen, just see. Now your text become up to where? This breadth itself. So you got that in the next line. So you can get this. Okay, that was the difference. Okay, so it's clear now. So with the help of a style, list style, what? Position. Previous was list style. What was that? Image. And one more was list style type. Okay, so type, position, and image. These three things in list we had seen. Okay, next, remove by default setting. What you will do? Samir, this is your answer. Okay. If you're removing by default a style type, because the type is a disk none something. So when you're removing that, that become none. It become complete removed. Got that?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now I will pass here itself. Let's do. Oh, sorry. Now see. We had removed that style type in the second case. Here. So there is no bullet. Fine or not?
Sir, one time please repeat, sir.
Which one?
Sir, all, but I not seen visual screen.
Oh, okay. I will go quickly. See what we had discussed. We had discussed if suppose you have a bullet sign. Look, wait. What is this? 6. Okay. Let me uncomment just to see. See, if you want list style type position property, okay, means you had not means from the starting of the list or from where, Praful? From where you had missed?
Yes, yes, sir.
From list
Style
from list.
property is a UL tag and so.
Okay, fine. So suppose you have to pass 1 second. Wait, I will go file number 5. Something is there. So in this, in the corner, you can see that some image are there. Let me reduce. See something. Can you see here in the corner side? In the this corner means left side completely.
Yes, sir.
Some it's looking like cap. That is actually image. Okay.
Image.
So if you want, in case of a list, you can pass an image also. What is the property name? What is that, Abhishek or Samir? What is that property name?
List style image.
List style image. Okay. So suppose you want not a list style, you want that. 1 second. Where it will come? That is list style. Okay. Second, if you want to write something, but you not want a bullet sign. Okay, there was 6 actually. Sorry. Second. Okay, this clear? You can pass image also. Okay, now go on 4 file. 4th is already was link, not an issue. Go for 5th file, already we covered. 6th file. Yeah. So in the case of 6, what is observing here? What you observing actually, Praful? Can you in this file from here to here?
Sir,
In the
first,
case of bullet, see in the case of bullet alignment. This dot coming in the same alignment, correct? In this 3 proper.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. But
Correct.
see in case of this one, what is going there? Bullet is there, but the text is coming on the same alignment, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So
Correct.
this is possible due to list style position. So if you have to pass image, so what is that? List style image. Okay, remove this position, pass image, image tag. Okay, if you want a position, that a bullet should be inside and outside like that. So list style position, but you not want any styling. This bullet sign completely you want 0, nothing is there. What you will do? You will remove this bullet sign. See in the bottom, there is no bullet sign. Okay, so how that came? I showing you. What was that tag, Samir?
List style type none.
Type none. Okay, so this is due to a list style type none. That's it. These 3 things we had discussed. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Praful, clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay, mainly 3 things we had discussed. Now next one. Let me go with 7.html. Yeah. Okay, so position list marker be seen. I will go quickly because these all things we covered. Nobody is replying, but I know from past 1 hour, from yesterday itself we are doing same thing. So again, what is that? List shorthand property. Okay, what is that? List style we had written. What is the first one? List style. What is this? Position, type, image. What will be? What is this? A square. 3 things we had seen: position, image, style. What is this? Sorry, type.
Style. Type, sir. Type.
Type. This is a type. What about inside? A style, list style, type, position, image. What is this?
Position.
Position. What is this one? Third one.
Image.
Image. Clear. So these
Yes.
three things we can write in single hand. No issue. Any doubt? Tell me. Okay. Now a styling list with a color already we had discussed, but now also we can go with one time. If you have to pass any style with any OL tag, what are you doing here? Padding is there something? Sorry, background color you had passed, then you had passed padding as usual. We are doing the same thing on others also. Correct or not? Any doubt? Any doubt? Anybody want to look on that also? Or it's clear?
No doubt, no doubt.
Okay, fine. So just you can refer this background color, whatever this means, whatever style we had. So where you passing? We are passing on OL tag. So next see, we are passing the same thing on OL and LI tag. Okay. So you can go one by one as like a table case, table TD, TR. So same type. Roshan, is it clear? Or you want a visualization also? Is Roshan here? Praful, Geeta, Amardeep. Okay. Is it clear? Anybody want to visualization?
No need to
No.
visualize.
Okay. These are now common. Don't go. These all simple. Now see, you can realize here. Background color we passed something. Then here also we passed something. Output came. So these all are CSS property of which one? List. Okay. What was the property? One time quick revision. List style we passing. Then a style type. A style image is there. Then a style position is there. Then a style type is there. Okay. Same thing now came to table case. So whatever we had seen, that was actually in the case of link, button, and unordered list, ordered list. Up to that, anyone having any issue?
No issue.
No issue. Fine. Mardeep, any issue? You had joined, I think, late.
Yes, sir. No issue.
Okay, fine. That's a simple thing we had discussed, but already we know that whatever means a style property like background, margin, padding. So we had manipulating those things. Now table is that. Just be conscious. So what we want to design. Okay, I will do one thing. I will first create one table, and after that we will look. ABLE table. Oh, it given this one. Maybe this will give. No. Okay, tell me how to draw table first.
TR.
They're using
TR.
TR tag,
Okay, go first.
then TH
Then TH.
TD.
and TD.
Where TD?
After TR.
Here you telling TD.
Yes.
Is this correct?
No,
Yes.
sir. No, sir.
Amardeep,
No,
is
sir.
this correct?
No, sir.
Then
No, sir.
After TH, there should be TD. After TH. TH closing.
TH closing. Here you telling me pass TD.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let it to be. What I pass? Name, value.
Yes, sir. Pass the value.
Abhishek.
Okay, okay. I will write your name. You have to transfer 5 rupees to each account. Everyone, your name is coming on YouTube.
Okay, sir.
You become popular. Tomorrow somebody will search in Google. Who is Abhishek? Okay, so we done. We had passed some data like a name and some data is there. Is this correct? Whatever you had passed, I not thinking.
No, that is not correct. After TH,
What?
we'll take the.
See what you got there. Abhishek, what is this? Where is your name?
So what we have to do, we
The
will
heading
take the
type.
TD,
Yes,
and
sir.
after closing TR, we will take open TR, and inside TR we will write TD. Yes.
Abhishek, where you want
And
that
rows.
your name should be available? In the head list.
Hit list.
See, this type have to come, correct? What is this?
Yes,
A
sir.
live server ready is not possible without a body or a head tag. Oh my god, this thing nonsense. So in case of table, first table tag should be outside, then tr, and inside tr, td or th, whatever you're taking. Then again tr will be there. If you're taking the data, you will pass td. Okay, this is the thing. So, okay, I'm going to add one more field. Now tell me name. After that, I want to write address. Where I have to pass line number.
Line
want
number,
line number.
After 14.
14. Okay. T. Which one?
TH.
TD, TR, TH.
TH.
H, sir.
TH.
Roshan, why you not speaking? Oh, you came from marriage. That's fine. Everybody enjoying and we are only writing here code. Abhishek, why not? We can also plan somewhere.
No, sir.
Search nearby who have marriage function. We will go there.
Without without invitation.
No issue. After entering, we will ask invitation.
Okay. If someone will catch, then after that.
No problem. What it will happen? We can tell we are friend from very long relationship friend. Okay, I going to write our Abhishek address, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Why this live server is not working? I don't know why it is doing like this. Okay. So what we had done, we had passed one data, name and address, means heading, and one data we had passed here. Now, is this table looking good?
No, sir.
No. I want to make
No,
this
sir.
Okay. Oh, Praful, you came for telling no. Where was you that time when we was writing data? Okay.
Sir.
So so it's not looking good. What we want to apply CSS over this one. How we can do that? Now look over our CSS part. So see here some fancy table is there. I will go just one demo. Okay. And just see what type of things are coming. I will show you HTML code. Don't go regarding CSS of this one. I will show you HTML code. Why not? We can do one thing. We can go this code and we can get all idea. In one shot, it will be clear. Already we know this thing. Wait. Where is that my editor? Yeah. Now see, this came on my table. Sorry. Yeah, my browser side. So just see through the code. Okay. Oh my God, this much data is there. Let's remove. We want only 2-3 data, not this much. Amardeep, what about you have office today?
Yes, sir. Month-end activities.
Oh my God, today is Saturday, man.
I have to work on tomorrow also, sir. I have leave on Monday.
Oh, tell to manager. Tell to manager. Today is Saturday.
At 7 p.m. I was on with meeting, deployment meeting. That's why I was unable to join.
Okay. So see what we had done. Anyone have any issue regarding this code? If anybody have, tell me. I will throw him in batch 2. He will start again.
I love to
No,
go batch 2.
Really. And if he telling I have complete doubt, then I will throw him in group discussion. Alone he will sit there. Okay. So what we had done, we had taken the table, TD, TR, all thing. Now what we want the styling, what where, and we had passed some class also. Let's see what class is there. ID we had passed like ID equal to customers. Any more? No. Okay. So just now go through the CSS part. You will realize one by one. ID. Okay. We had passed ID. What things are there? Go through the code. ID is there. Font family. Already we had discussed. We had passed some font family. It taken for the attractive purpose. What about a border does collapse? Had we discussed this thing?
No. We didn't discuss it.
How are you telling this not?
discuss.
Yes, sir. Discard separate and collapse are two there.
Collapse, I think in
Separate
HTML
means
itself. Separate was not there, I think. I don't know whether separate is there or not. Separate is there. Oh, Praful, you are great. Okay, so means collapse and separate two properties there. So what it will do, it will collapse the border. Okay, means do one thing, comment this line and let's see what it going to do. What you had observed. See, in the middle, some space is there everywhere. It got separated. Samir,
Yes, yes.
are you observing?
Yeah, I'm
See,
getting.
yeah. So with the help of collapse, it will remove that border. Okay. Now next, width equal to 100%. Let's comment this and let's see what it had done. Wait. What happened? Our browser is 100%. Okay. Now uncomment this. Then you will realize what happened. What you observed with the help of now it is width 100%. What it doing? Somebody had asked a doubt in the case of table.
See,
I think Praful was that.
it occupied full length of left to right.
Full length of the browser, we can tell.
Yes.
Correct. So when you want your table to be 100%, it occupy complete width of the browser. You can pass this width 100%, but on which table, TD, TR, where? Where we had passed?
In table.
Means in the parent itself.
Sir, one problem.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, horizontal line and straight line, how to come?
Which horizontal you telling?
Table can create.
Yeah, okay.
Table can create an horizontal line simply display in browser.
Yeah.
To view.
It will come. Yeah, it will come automatic. But we can take that some property was there in the case of table itself.
So
I will go.
We already taken TR, no?
TR, but something was there. We taken border here also. Okay. See, when we will comment this border, it will gone. Now see, where is the line? Are you observing any line?
Yes, no sir.
Line is not there.
Border can use.
Yeah. So with the help of a color, only you are getting separate. But when you passing border, see, border came. Correct or not?
Yes.
So with the help of border, we can. So we are going one by one. We will get that also. So what we are getting now, width equal to 100%. On which class, on which where, on which tag you have to pass this width equal to 100%? On parent.
Parent table.
Correct. So parent in the sense this ID.
But in header we have given border collapse, no?
Border collapse. What it going to do? Border collapse actually.
But it's showing us displaying the border. I mean, the line is there.
Yeah, that I telling what it will work actually means what it will do. Border equal to collapse. Border collapse. What it will do actually?
It will collapse the. I mean, the line. This one. Remove the line.
Which one?
Yeah, just
remove the line. No,
between
actually,
company
just
and
I told.
there is a white line.
Just uncomment line number 8 and show the what output will come.
Yeah. Okay. See, there it's showing due to zoom. I think that is zoomed. Now see.
Okay. That because of zoom. Okay.
Yeah, we had gone more. I think 300% zoom. I don't know where how much. Oh, 250. Now see.
Yeah.
This become 100%.
I thought it's a border line, so that's why.
Yeah. Okay. Not an issue. Yeah, it's clear. So there is some another property that's separate. So I think with the help of this, it got separated. See, everywhere that's a separation is there. Okay, so with the and anything by default separate is there. So no need to pass a separate. Okay, it get collapse. Now, yeah, which property? Width equal to 100%. So where we was passing width equal to 100% on the parent. Parent in this means table. Okay, so it become our this table it will occupy the full width of the UI. Let's go 100%. Okay. Now it occupying the full screen. Let's comment this and see what happened. It occupying according to text width. Whatever text is there, it coming according to that. See, in the company, text is written up to this. What I will do, I will remove that data from there and I will pass somewhat little less. Now see, the first line got a decrease. This line, correct or not? First one. So never we will do this. We will always pass width equal to 100%. So it will occupy that. Otherwise your table will jump. Okay. Next. So up to this three property, anyone have any issue?
No.
No issue. Okay. Next, we going to do something like border, that boundary or whatever things are there. So those things where you want. Suppose you have to. What is this? First is border. Okay. With the help of border, we are passing boundary. Let me change the color. Go with red. Now you have separation border everywhere. So just you can imagine where you want the border. You want the border on the top or in the each line, means in the separation, means in the middle of each, or where. So where we have to pass that. First go Abhishek. We want a border only in the top around. How we can get that only? I not want in the middle on those things.
In heading.
Yeah, means not heading. I telling around, outside, complete outside. I want the border completely outside only. How we can?
Using border.
Means that, yeah, that's with border property. Okay, but on which tag we will pass the border property? That is my question. Like
Table.
I want, yeah, correct. So on table, and now we are referring some ID for the table. So what we will do? We will pass the border on the particular. If you can write that table tag itself, or otherwise customer, means which is the ID is there. Wait, I will take this style. So I not want the border. Let's see what is happening. It coming everywhere, but I not want on others. I want on tables only. What you will do? You will remove these all things. That's it. And now see, you will get border around table. Had you got? Let's see. Is that black bond red color is coming around that also in the data? Abhishek, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. So with the help of a table, means now what we had done, we had passed that at border property just on the parent. Okay, parent, see, parent ID, with the help of ID we are referring. Okay, next I want
sir.
the boundary. Where I want the boundary in the middle of this header, this top. I want to separate this top. How we can? Top or a row?
TD.
I want with row. Okay, TD you telling. Okay, let's go and check TD. Where you getting this one? Just to see what happened. It came everywhere. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but what about this one? Top section. Company, contact, and country. How you can separate that?
We'll go for TR.
TR or TH?
Sir, TH.
TH. Let's verify. I have not idea. Yeah. So with the help of TH we got, because this section is comes under which one? TH, table head. So that's why we had passed. So when you working these all things, just try to manipulate. Okay, you will get that idea how you can. Okay, go one by one, pass the value. You will get that style. Once you got the main things, as like suppose we are doing mathematics, we and always be learning what 1 + 1 2, like this type of scenario we are learning, but be getting the idea how that big sum will also solved. So with the help of that, so we got the border where we are applying that we realize and we got that. Okay, now suppose that what you observing here, just do one thing. Wait, I will take some more data. Then you will. If you got clear this one, then everyone clear. Then no need to go more. Because this one table is enough.
Yes, sir. Sir, we use a call span or row span.
Call span, yeah, that with the help of that in table, if you want to merge this cell,
Yes.
okay, now two means this is 3 cell, so you want to merge this, what you are doing actually? Can anyone?
Row span, yeah.
Where it gone?
Call
Sorry,
span.
I think we had written wrong or what?
Call
Area
span.
is not there. Wait 1 second.
Sir, only row span, sir. Only row span.
Yeah, row span. I think not on this tag. Sorry.
So on th tag.
Yeah, that's. Yeah, see what it done? It had combined this row and this row. Now company is referring this two, correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Because some extra data, so it gone outside.
Yes.
But call span and row span, it going to merge other cells in one. With the help of that, we can do. I think some property in CSS also it will be available. We can do that also. So what I trying that 1 second. Yeah. So let me change color, then you will observe more. What are you getting here? Alternate color, correct? So in first cell, ignore the th. Okay. In first cell, color is coming red. In second something, then again something red, then again something, then again red. Means it's going on alternate basis, correct? But
Yes.
when you moving your cursor, see, when you moving your cursor, color is different.
Because
Now
of
tell me, over, correct? So due to over, it going to affect. But what about this alternate color? How this coming? Now just go with CSS, you will get that idea. No need to more explanation. See what we had used. We had passed the color. Sorry, table parent table, and we want on each row. Okay, so that's why we had passed tr. Fine, and in element pseudo element or pseudo class, which is that one time colon. I forget
Class.
actually. Class.
Sir,
I don't know
it
whether
is
class or
class.
element. Okay, class. So in case of class, there is one property nth child. In document you can see. Okay, in document already it is available. Nth child. Previously we had a look like first child and last child. Two things we had. So in the case of nth child, if you will pass, what we had written here, even means even number. Okay, so color become red. Okay, now tell me, what about this one? Is this cell coming in the event or odd? That is
even.
coming under
Sir,
even because a
even.
header is there. Because this one header is there, that is on the first position. Then second is coming this red section. Then this is coming
Even
under
number.
third. Then this is coming fourth. So what you observing? All even is colorful. That comes with red. Correct. So if suppose just imagine if your even row is coming with red, then odd is automatic something. So in the case of odd, wait, odd is not color given here. Odd. What we can do? Okay, tr is color. No. Okay, I will give. I want that. I not want that white color. I want something color different. What I can do? I can take this customers and tr. Okay, and let's pass another color. Will it work here or not? Go with yellow, save. Had you got what I done? I done that for alternate odd. I had passed some other color, but see for over Same thing, correct or not? So your that table become attractive. So what I done, I had passed on the TR background color. So your all row becomes some colorful, correct? But I not want TR. I want one data only. I want this particular cell. How we can? Means not
Sorry.
only this cell, just go anyone. What we can do? Can we do
So
TD? So see,
We
when we
can
had
write
passed a TD,
TD.
yeah. So with the help of TD, we had passed on the TD, means complete your data itself coming with. Okay. So when you manipulating these all things, you will get more idea. Okay. So now come to next. Where is that? Okay. So nth child. With the help of nth child, we had passed the background color alternative. And same thing happened here over. In the case of over, we had passed something. Change the color. Oh, sorry, not red. Take green. Okay. Now see, when you will move your mouse, color will be green. Fine. But not in the case of that TH. You can add that. Okay. If you want for that also, pass here TH. But it will work with this, or I have to pass over. I think we have to pass over. Oh my God, it completely gone wrong. See, if you will write a wrong CSS, it will not work. Okay. You have to take care. What about? No, it's not working. I don't know. Maybe some issue happen due to this one. Okay, I think we have to pass directly. TH colon HOVER. Sorry. T over. Let's see. Oh my God, this is not working. Something different.
Sir, TH comma TR over.
Okay, TH comma.
A space, remove the space.
That case, a space will not matter. I think. No, this is not working. And okay, do one thing. Write TH. Let's
so
see. What?
table.
1 second. Some issue is coming there itself. What we want? We want for TH also. Do one thing. We can do, but this is not. Oh, sorry. But this is not correct way. Okay. You know the official website of anything like CSS, HTML, official website. Don't think that W3 is official website. See, for TH it came like this. Okay, what I done? I had passed that separately, but this is not correct way. Actually, I will tell. You can do one thing. You can pass here one class and you can add that reference. Correct. So you can get that also. For right now, I will comment. Okay, so this way we can make our fancy table. Next, what is there? Then padding top, padding bottom. Already we know that we want a space. We can get that the padding. Then text alignment is left. Okay, I not want text alignment left. I want something center. Correct or not? This one. Whether we will get or not. If I will save.
We'll get.
We will get. Let's see. So we got the table center. But what about the data? Only heading is coming there. Now tell me how we
So,
can get the data also in center.
After TH,
TD.
Yeah.
We'll write
Correct.
Sorry.
TD.
TD.
Okay, let's see. TD. But what about my style? In search of one thing, we lost our all thing. That is the adventure we are good doing. What we can do? Anyone?
Pass separately or what?
Yeah. So what we can do? We can pass that separately. Okay. Take this. Otherwise, in search of gold, we will lost our black diamond. Okay. And pass what is that? Text alignment. Sorry. Text dash alignment. Okay, and go with the center. Fine, we got all thing now. Okay, so everything is working fine. My mouse over is working. We got text alignment, color, padding. Now tell me anyone having any issue. Okay, if you wanted to change the color of this one text, how we can? Okay, Praful, which data this one? TD, TR, TH. Which is this one? Because this one is coming
TD, sir.
white. These all are TD. Okay, means you want to change the color of this one as white. Means where I have to pass with TD. Let's pass here.
H
Let's see
cool color.
white. What happened? We got our white color. Correct. So this way we can manipulate. Means we have to find out the position whether TD, TR, TH, and we can do that. So anyone having any issue in this one, tell me. We cover the complete things regarding the table in this case. Anyone having any doubt? How we will get this 100%?
Sir, please one time TD is a background. How to background?
Okay. So
H
suppose
over
which background you're telling this over. See, in the case of over, what we had done, I going with the code completely. Wait. See, in the case of parent table, we had passed these all things. Okay. How you realize that parent table? Just see what we are referring. We are referring some customers. And what is this class or ID? Customers. How you will realize?
ID.
ID because the hash is there. So let's see what about this one in the HTML code. What is this? This is ID. Okay. And this ID referring to the parent table. For the day okay, is it fine? Table. Rahul, speak up.
Yes,
This is
sir.
for
Yes,
you
sir.
actually.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. So on
Yes,
the
sir.
table we
Clear,
had
sir.
applied this one. Okay. So on table we had passed this. What is the use of 100%? With the 100 we will get that table in completely. Okay. We getting this complete
Yes, sir.
full screen. Next, what about background color?
Full
We
screen.
had passed background color yellow.
Yellow.
Okay. So we getting this background color yellow. But in alternate, some color red is there. How we getting that alternate color red? Alternate color red is coming due to this one TR nth child, and we had passed even. Okay. So due to this one, due to nth child even, we getting this background color. Okay. Next on
Sir,
over. Yeah.
sir, when we in line number 22, when we write child even,
Odd.
we remove even and write odd.
Let's see what it will do. What happened?
Odd property is working.
Odd is
Right.
working there. That's it.
Okay.
Then even become alternate color. Okay.
Okay.
Two things are there actually in child property. If you will go through documentation of yesterday documentation, you will get this thing. Already this is written there in the documentation. So with the help of this even and odd property, we can get colorful. Then mouse over is there. With the help of mouse over, we can get that. Okay. Praful, is it clear regarding mouse over?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
We had passed on TR. So remaining nothing.
TR and
Already.
hold text and display in background color.
Yeah, background color. That's something whatever we had passed. So we covered
Clear, sir.
that
Clear.
main thing of the table. Now go through the documentation. I'm not thinking you have any doubt now. Table border, how we will get? It's clear. Just quick revision. I will not go slowly. This one. Table we had passed this one. Okay. This is actually one by one. For what about full width? What is the tag? Tell me first. What about a full width? Table
Width is equal to 100%.
width equal to width colon 100%. What about collapse table? How we will get? Border
For
type equal to border types collapse. Okay. Correct or not?
Yes.
Correct, sir.
So please just speak up fast. For boundary means for border, we have to pass the border property. We already covered all these things actually in the main topic itself. Now table size, height and width we can pass. Already we know that width. And next for height, we had seen this thing in the table case itself. Height and width we can pass. We can increase and decrease that table. Okay. Width equal to 50%. We can increase and decrease width. Not an issue. Like, okay, we'll go one thing. We will pass where width equal to 100% on the table. Let's see what it will do. 50%. Let's observe the changes. What happened? It become 100%. Previously it was 100%. Now your table is 50% according to your screen, means in the middle. Correct. But you want to move this table in the right side. Tell me how we can.
Float right.
Float right. Let's see whether it's working or not. Float. Got it?
Yes, sir. Sir, when we using A side?
Which one? A side. A side actually that is just like you can tell block level element. Sorry, not block level. Semantic element. Maybe that will be block level. I don't know that. But it comes under semantic because some sense is coming in the case of aside. Aside in the sense you're going to keep that section in the side. Correct or not?
Okay. Correct,
in the
sir.
grammar word, we are telling aside means something you have to keep it in the side. So that is the thing actually. So with the help of float right, we can pass that value. Okay. And with the help of, let's do one thing, comment this and we will pass this here. 100%. Oh, sorry, this become 10%. So see, whatever value we are passing, table is according that one. Okay. Now see, we pass the value 10% actually. So our table is in the 10% section. Okay. So we have to. Okay. Now go to documentation. Now table alignment, already we seen that center, left, right. Just we had moved also. And a text alignment, already we know that center and right, those things. Now left property, that's not required, that's already done. Vertical alignment, same thing as like center alignment, vertical alignment is there. Now we will cover this. Okay, yeah, regarding one thing I had asked. What was that? Official documentation regarding anything. For maximum things, MDN is the official website. Okay. On this website, you will get regarding each things a special. See, when you see how you will get that thing directly. When you will put your cursor here, editor, you getting this suggestion. See, MDN reference is showing there. If you will click this, you will get this website directly. See, regarding vertical alignment, where we had got this one, vertical alignment. So it will give you more information, how vertical alignment, what are the value, vertical alignment, top, middle, bottom, sub, these all things. And see this, it's working here. Click this. Vertical alignment is bottom. Which vertical alignment? This is star. See that. Sub. Now see text. See top. Baseline. Getting this one or not? This side. See top. That see look over the star. Okay. So this is actually MDN and MDN is the official site actually for anything. Okay. What I was looking? Vertical alignment. Okay. Look over vertical alignment. What I had passed bottom. Is it will do anything? Where it have to pass? Let 1 second. Quick revision. TD. Okay. I will not pass here. I will pass in case of TD. TD. Where is that TD? Here TH. Okay. Let's pass here. Let's see what it will do. Vertical alignment bottom. Vertical alignment. Sorry. Up. No, here it's not showing anything. Let's do one thing. I will pass here TD. I think due to a space, it's not getting. When we will pass a space something height, then maybe. Let's see. In pixel. ED 29 pixel. Save. We got. Yeah, okay. Vertical alignment. Had you observed something? 50 pixel. Then you will observe. What are you observing here? Hello?
TD is bottom.
Yeah, means a vertical alignment. In the case of vertical alignment, see, now I going with middle. Let's see what happened. Data is in the middle. Okay. But when I going with top, now see, data is in the top. So this way we can move our data. But when it will be possible? Only when you have sufficient height. Okay. When suppose the height is not there, then where it will move? It will not move because your table is in that section only. Correct or not? Go with 100 pixel. Now just move. Now you can realize too much easy. Who is calling? Now you can Ritesh Mehra. I will call you right back. Okay. So with the help of this, we can do that manipulation. Fine. Anyone having any issue? Hello.
No issue, sir.
Okay, fine. So now next one. So now padding already we know that, border collapse already we understand. Be regarding separation of the border. Now horizontal divider already we seen that how we can get that with the help of a border. Okay, that divider. So now we covered almost all things on this one. Over already we covered how we can get the over section. Something may be there, but you can go through that. But approx we covered. A stepped table already we had. I mean say we can change that different color for that table. Nth child property we had covered that. Correct or not? If you have doubt, please you can. Okay. So table color we can change that. Okay. Now responsive table. Yeah. Okay. I will cover this within 5 minutes. That's it. So suppose that your table having more data. Okay. And your data is going outside. What you will do? Means now suppose your data is data, you have limited data now. So that's why your screen can occupy that thing. But when your data will be limited, and see many time you will see that in the bottom some scroll bar will be there. You will get some scroll bar. Okay. So in that case, your data will not all data will be in the browser window. Some data will be inside, and when you will scroll this, then you will get those data. Okay. So I showing you, I will take something, some example. Wait. Where is that? Okay, table 7. Fine. 8.html. Now see one thing. Why that a scroll bar not came? Okay.
I think you didn't use CSS.
No, CSS is already used. Let me remove that first. Then you will get that scroll bar. There any issue? Style overflow, X auto, then border collapse, left margin padding. I think some more data is required or what? Let's see on their website. Yeah, see here you can observe. Just wait. Let you be load. See, when you have sufficient data, okay, this way we can get. No, but yeah, okay, fine. So see, now what you getting here? Some data is inside. Correct or not?
Correct.
Now you getting this a scroll bar. So what is the scenario when your screen data will be more? Means data will be more. See, when I increasing this screen, data is fitting in my screen, so I not getting anything. But suppose more data will be there. That time it will get you the issue. So in the case of mobile mainly, see up to this it's not issue. But when your screen size reducing from this, you getting the scroll bar. See that. Now just now tell me how you will realize whatever data is inside. What are you doing? You are scrolling this one. Okay. After scrolling, you can look inside data. Okay. So what you can do with the help of what type? Overflow. One CSS is there. Overflow. With the help of this, we can make our responsive data. Just do one thing. First, I will remove this. First, get the scenario. What is the problem actually? Now see. On the main screen, in the bottom itself, we got this scroll bar. Correct or not? Is this looking good? Your
No, sir.
main website data is up to this only, but some data for this one is inside. And due to this, your data, this space is empty. See this. After this area, this section, this is empty space. Due to what? Due to this one. Tomorrow this data going to increase. It will again got this one. So in that scenario, what we have to do, we have to pass a scroll bar for particular this section only, not for complete website. So we have to make our table responsive. Responsive means it will get adjust in all type of a screen, whether mobile or tablet or laptop, bigger screen. So that's why what we will do, just to go through the property of table, whatever we had written. What we had written table. In this no issue, border collapse is there, width is 100%. Then text alignment left and padding 8 pixel, and then background color something. Is any issue in this scenario? In this style? No? Hello? Please reply fast.
Yes, sir.
No
No
issue,
issue?
sir.
Okay. But what about the data? We getting that website here. This is not the proper. Whenever you creating yourself also any website, don't get this scroll bar. That is not good. Okay. If you getting this in your website, sure something wrong. You can get this left side up and down, but don't get this one in the bottom. Never you will get this maximum website having. Okay, by mistake developers are doing, but we have to focus that thing. So what we will do, we have to pass one to making that responsive this table itself, means this particular div, complete div. What we had passed, one property of a style, that is overflow. Okay. Now the thing is that in which direction you want to overflow. Overflow means whatever data is more overflowing, that you have to
Sir, what is
adjust.
X?
Yeah, wait 1 second. Overflow means whatever data you have more, you have to adjust that. That means overflow. As like water, you are filling a bucket with the water. What it will do? Overflow, that water will come out. So same thing is there. Overflow, then data will come out. Come out means what? Data will be outside the web page. Correct or not? But I not want like this. I want to fix data that you have to be here. So that is direction X. We will pass that. Which direction you want? A scroll bar. We want a scroll bar in the X direction. X direction in the sense horizontal, by direction in the sense up. Okay, we have to pass that. And here we have to pass that auto. I think other value is also there, but let's check other value. Yeah, we will get one by one those value. So first let's go with auto. So in case of auto, what it will do, it will take your data and pass the horizontal bar. Okay. In the case of where, in the case of this property only, this div only. Whatever data will overflow, it will get one scroll bar. In which direction? Horizontal or top? Means X direction or Y direction? It will come in the X direction because overflow X we had passed. Let's see. What are you getting? What about this data? It is proper? Are you getting anything in the bottom scroll bar? Now, bottom scroll bar in the sense this area. Previously we was getting here. Now that we not getting that one. Means now your website is proper. Okay, but whatever data overflowing, see, you getting that data only. Means your table is responsive now, but your website is proper. Now see, I will show you by removing this one. Then you will realize. And be getting a scroll bar in the bottom. Means X direction because we had pass overflow X. Now see what happened. Your table is not responsive. Your website got like this. Means your website is moving now. Got this the demerit. Clear or not? We will go one by one other term also. But is this clear? Others, please.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Because this is most important. Don't worry
Yes, sir.
regarding this. It is not like in table only. It will important in the other topic also. So whenever data scenario, you have to take care regarding this thing. Next. So with the help of overflow, we can adjust. We can make our table responsive. How long this topic actually pending? 4 5 pages. Just a simple property actually available. Okay. What you want? You want to continue or you want to left? Yes, a stable property. Okay, border collapse be already covered. Empty cells, that's fine also. Now that display property is hidden and this. We will cover this display property tomorrow. Not an issue. Oh, that's a few. Okay, I will do one thing. I will just go with whatever in the case of this overflow. That's it. So overflow we had pass auto. Okay, I not want like this. I want in the case of Y direction. Just pass here Y and let's see what it will do. Overflow Y. Had it done anything? No. Wait. Y direction, then your data have to be in Y direction also. Let's minimize this. Be getting in this side, but it not in that side. Okay, otherwise wait. Tomorrow we will cover remaining topic. That's it. In this part, actually, one thing is there, just a display property in line. And regarding table, again, that will come overflow. We will look that also. That will come. Okay. Anyone having any issue in this one? This is for responsive table actually. So with the help of overflow, we can pass that. Means we can make that responsive. Clear? There is another direction Y. You want, if you want, you can hide that also. See how we can hide. Wait, let me scroll first. Yeah, we got this one. And 1 second, overflow, pass this Y. And pass this another property. What is another property? Hidden. Now see what we getting? We getting hidden. But what about this side? We not getting. Means this complete data, whatever was inside, it get hide due to hidden. Correct or not? What about other? Other is a scroll. Let's see what it will do. We getting this a scroll bar. Let's reduce this one first. Yeah. So we getting a scroll bar. What about others? Others is scroll visual. Let's see what this is doing. Visual is just removing that and your complete website become by default. Means your website is now shaking. You not have to do like this. Never. When you're doing anything, you have to verify. A scroll bar should not have to become in the bottom. Now, another property, inherit, where and calculus. Okay, let it to be. We will get those one by one. So up to this clear, or anyone have any issue? Tell me. Whatever pending topic in this one, we will cover that tomorrow. That's no issue. If you want, you can also go through that. You will get that idea. Now that is not too much, means you can tell that it's not vast. That's a simple block label and inline. If you want to move anything in that, if any block level element, you can convert into like a inline, and inline you can convert into block level. Then visibility, that's it. Okay, only two topic, means half an hour enough for that one. Okay, are you going to stop recording? Yeah. Now tell, any issue up to this one? Oh. Hello.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So we can wrap up the session, or anyone have to discuss?
No, sir. You can wrap up.
We can wrap up. Okay, fine. So it was difficult, means today topic. What you realize?
No, sir. It's not difficult. Easy, sir. It's a familiar one.
Yeah, that's why actually in the case of table we had a speed up something, because already we know that. So it's not a means a good if we wasting time on those things, because already we are familiar with tags. So it becomes simple. So not an issue. Slowly we will speed up, because we now be getting all the things. Okay, we will meet tomorrow morning. We will put class. So Amardeep, you
Sir,
have any issue regarding
sir,
tomorrow morning?
Sir, in morning it is batch 2 class, na, sir. The HTML class only.
That also, but we will try to keep our class also in morning and then evening also. Now we will go with Saturday, Sunday 2 time. Be trying.
Today there was only one time, na, sir, CSS.
Yeah. Today it is only one, but tomorrow we will trying for that.
Okay, sir.
So you have any issue? Like means tomorrow office?
No, sir.
No issue. Okay. So actually, if we will speed up somewhat, because now everybody is in the position. I mean, don't think regarding CSS position. Now everybody is in the position of understanding.
Yeah, sir.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. Already a recording is going on. 1 second. Oh my God.